How do Irish film festivals impact the film industry? Imagine walking into a room filled with the energy of storytellers, artists, and movie lovers all celebrating Irish culture. That's what Irish film festivals are all about. These events do more than just show movies. They shape the future of Irish cinema and culture. They bring together new and seasoned filmmakers, giving them a stage to share their stories with audiences from around the world. When Irish films are screened at these festivals, they reach viewers who might never see them otherwise. This helps Irish stories gain international recognition and opens doors for Irish talent to work on bigger projects. Travelers visiting Ireland often stumble upon these festivals in cities like Dublin, Galway, and Cork, but also in smaller towns. These festivals are a great way to experience Irish culture firsthand. They often showcase films that highlight Ireland's stunning landscapes, rich history, and modern life. Attending these events gives visitors a chance to see films that might not be available on streaming services or in regular cinemas. It's like stepping into a window that shows Ireland's soul through its stories. Economically, Irish film festivals boost local businesses. Hotels fill up with visitors, restaurants buzz with activity, and shops see more foot traffic. These festivals create short-term jobs for event staff and volunteers, and many festivals become annual highlights that bring people back year after year. When festivals happen during quieter travel seasons, they help spread tourism income across different parts of Ireland, not just the big cities. Another way these festivals influence the film industry is through screen tourism. When visitors see a film set in Ireland, they often want to visit those exact locations. Festivals can spotlight lesser-known films that feature Irish towns and countryside, encouraging fans to explore these areas in real life. This boosts local tourism and helps small communities thrive. Irish film festivals also strengthen Ireland's reputation as a hub for arts and creativity. When international visitors attend these events, they leave with a deeper appreciation for Irish storytelling. They often share their experiences on social media, which attracts more tourists interested in Irish arts and culture. For travelers, attending a film festival offers more than just watching movies. Many festivals include Q&A sessions with filmmakers, workshops, and networking opportunities. Some even host outdoor screenings in scenic spots, blending film with Ireland's natural beauty. These experiences make trips more memorable and give visitors a unique way to connect with Irish culture. While the direct impact on film production might seem less obvious, these festivals play a vital role in keeping Irish cinema alive and vibrant. They support local filmmakers, promote Irish stories, and help build a global audience. For anyone traveling in Ireland, these festivals offer a chance to see the country through its stories and celebrate its creative spirit. They truly add a special touch to any Irish adventure.